MSCR community. This is Liz here, one of MSCR's outdoor programs instructors. Today we are learning about clouds. This activity is a fun way to explore the daytime sky and learn about clouds. The instructions included in the post explain how to make your cloud finder. Here is my example.
You can also follow along with our step-by-step video by MSCR Makes to create your very own cloud finder. See the link below.
Once you've made your cloud finder, you're ready to start exploring the sky. Bring your cloud finder on walks or just explore from an open space near your home. Be creative. You can make your cloud finder clouds out of any material that works for you. I use cotton balls to make my clouds, but you can use different paints, print photos, or draw clouds if that's easier for you. Share your cloud finder and the clouds you find in the comments of this post. Check back on Friday for a new activity and have fun!